Your Z Fold 6 is showing no service. Mine's fine, but if yours is not, the fix is we will start in our settings, then we will scroll all the way down until we see General Management. Then scroll down and select the Reset option. And so the first thing we will try is resetting the mobile network settings. So tap on this option, select Reset Settings, enter in your login, and then tap Reset one more time to reset the mobile network settings. See if that fixes the problem. If it does, great. If not, we'll try and restart the phone. So if we swipe down from the top twice, then we select the power icon, then we'll tap the restart button twice to restart the phone. The third thing we can try is ejecting the SIM card, and you see this yellow contact here. If this is dirty, then we need to give this a clean, as any dirt can prevent the SIM card from being read in the phone. So you can use a t-shirt, microfiber cloth, and just give this a good rub to get rid of any dirt. And then you're going to reinsert the SIM card back into the phone. Now, if we're still having problems, sometimes if you just got your phone, you just need to wait 30 to 45 minutes for the SIM card to be activated, especially if it's a brand new SIM card. In other cases, you need to Google for activate SIM online and any carrier, and then look for the activation. This is typically only for pay-as-you-go SIM cards. You need to fill out the form and activate the SIM card online. If this is an older SIM card, then you may need to call up the carrier on another device and request a new SIM card, as your existing SIM card may be damaged, and so they'll send a new SIM card and then everything should be sorted.